Learn tenses in simple. I had allowed. I have allowed. I will have allowed. He had allowed. He has allowed. He will have allowed. She had allowed. She has allowed. She will have allowed. We had allowed. We have allowed. We will have allowed. You had allowed. You have allowed. You will have allowed. They had allowed. They have allowed. They will have allowed. I had asked. I have asked. I will have asked. He had asked. He has asked. He will have asked. She had asked. She has asked. She will have asked. We had asked. We have asked. We will have asked. You had asked. You have asked. You will have asked. They had asked. They have asked. They will have asked. I had attended. I have attended. I will have attended. He had attended. He has attended. He will have attended. She had attended. She has attended. She will have attended. We had attended. We have attended. We will have attended. You had attended. You have attended. You will have attended. They had attended. They have attended. They will have attended. I had changed. I have changed. I will have changed. He had changed. He has changed. He will have changed. She had changed. She has changed. She will have changed. We had changed. We have changed. We will have changed. You had changed. You have changed. You will have changed. They had changed. They have changed. They will have changed. I had copied. I have copied. I will have copied. He had copied. He has copied. He will have copied. She had copied. She has copied. She will have copied. We had copied. We have copied. We will have copied. You had copied. You have copied. You will have copied. They had copied. They have copied. They will have copied. I had offered. I have offered. I will have offered. He had offered. He has offered. He will have offered. She had offered. She has offered. She will have offered. We had offered. We have offered. We will have offered. You had offered. You have offered. You will have offered. They had offered. They have offered. They will have offered. I had played. I have played. I will have played. He had played. He has played. He will have played. She had played. She has played. She will have played. We had played. We have played. We will have played. You had played. You have played. You will have played. They had played. They have played. They will have played. I had reached. I have reached. I will have reached. He had reached. He has reached. He will have reached. She had reached. She has reached. She will have reached. We had reached. We have reached. We will have reached. You had reached. You have reached. You will have reached. They had reached. They have reached. They will have reached. I had visited. I have visited. I will have visited. He had visited. He has visited. He will have visited. She had visited. She has visited. She will have visited. We had visited. We have visited. We will have visited. You had visited. You have visited. You will have visited. They had visited. They have visited. They will have visited. I had added. I have added. I will have added. He had added. He has added. He will have added. She had added. She has added. She will have added. We had added. We have added. We will have added. You had added. You have added. You will have added. They had added. They have added. They will have added.